So the sixth thing I learned, the lesson that I learned as far as my failed marriage is simply this: thinking that she's a Christian and that because she's a Christian, we're going to be protected by God. Oh, child, please listen. These Christian women of today are no different or worse than a typical modern woman. Let me tell you something, guys. Learn from me, right? Learn from me. Check this out. Christian or not, when a woman decides that she's done, she is not going to be thinking about God. She's going to be like, you know what? I am covered by the blood of Jesus. That's what she's going to say. Period. End of story. And that's the mistake that I made. I thought because she went to church, that, oh, she must be better than, the modern woman. Absolutely not. Same old. No different. Right? No different. And if I saw her face to face, I would tell her that too. You ain't no different from any modern woman. Like, what excuse could she possibly have, right? What didn't I give her? Anyway, that's fine. At the end of the day, right? It was my fault. I take accountability for all that. It was my fault. If any relationship that I've ever been failed, it was because it was my fault. We're going to hold women accountable, we got to be accountable to our shit, right? So that was the thing, right? So, guys, learn from me for this one, right? And don't play with it. Talk to you soon. Peace.